Hello friends, welcome back to a new vlog, and today is a haircut day. So today I am taking haircut by Haidarji, and we have a complete setup in my room. Vlog aesthetics ko maro goli. This is urban clap. Ye polythene hai, waha hai, and we have our trimmer. The trimmer there. He has the kangi. He has the scissors. So yeah, and we also have a mirror over here. So today is my last day with my Kali Kali Zulfe, and I am going bald from today. Not from today, like for a few days. Let's go. क्या मैं एनिमे कैरेक्टर की तरह लग रहा हूँ जापानीज मूवी का। काटेगा तो पूरा किसमें? उसमें नहीं बदल जाता है वीडियो में। अच्छा तो तू लेगा? ये बना हुआ है। अच्छा ले। हल्का लग रहा है यार। I feel so light. Anyways, let's complete. Then we will see the after effect, after results. So Sam is going home, and she is in the back door. So she asked if I want to say her bye. There she is. Well, I did not show you guys my hairstyle. That's my new hairstyle. Anyways, अभी कुछ लोग बोलेंगे क्या घटिया दिख रहा है, क्या गंदा दिख रहा है, बहुत गंदा दिख रहा है. Anyways guys, अभी इतना दिन बाल लंबा रखा था, कौन सा मैं ऋतिक रोशन बन गया? हाँ, भगवान कृष्ण की तरह 16,000 से 108 रानियां बन गई. ऐसा तो नहीं बनी. और दुनिया के लिए कितना दिन ही अच्छा दिखूं. दुनिया के लिए अच्छा दिखने के लिए बाल रखूंगा. अभी खुद काट दिया, मुझे खुद अच्छा लग रहा है. आई माई सेल्फ फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट, एंड दैट्स द ओनली रीजन आई एम डूइंग इट, irrespective of who likes it, who doesn't. I am doing this for myself because this makes me feel good. This makes me feel happy. So let me transfer my clothes from the washing machine to the dryer. Then I will go and get my storage things. Like we need some tags and all for the storage. Let's do it fast. Hello guys, welcome back. So now I am going to Maria's house. Maria is my boss. So I will be teaching Maria and Jason. Jason is her husband. I will be teaching them how to cook dal. So here also I have started my cookery, my cooking classes. Guys, if you want to learn how to make dal, how to make dalma, please contact me. And so let's go. They are already waiting for me. I don't want to delay. So let's go. Hello friends, I did not show how I cook the dal because I'm sorry, I was already having a little bit of performance pressure and I did not want to enhance it, so I focused on cooking. And there we go. There's a beautiful rice dal bowl, very with a pinch of love and emotion in it. So, and I cooked it for Maria, she's my boss, and his Jason, and again I was going to say Caleb. So I wanted to record your reaction with your first bite of dal chawal.
Should we take turns?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Thank you, Lanky.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. Okay.
Great.
I like it. Yeah.
I love it.
Pass.